Well, good morning everyone. We're here on the urbanisation called Camposol near the port of Mathron, where there's several beaches and very near Murcia Airport. We're about 30 minutes drive from Murcia International Airport. Now I've got this fantastic Fortuna to show you today. I'm really excited about it. So let's go in and check it out. So this is the property that I'm going to show you around today. Now you have off-road parking just there for one car. As you can see, very decorative balustrade, and they have extended this property and it's really lovely. So as I said, I'm quite excited to show you around this one. So there's the details if you want to get in touch, and I'll leave the reference in the video below. So you have established trees and plants here. We're just going up a few steps up to this terrace. Okay, now as you can see, lovely terrace here, and just there it brings you up to the rooftop solarium, which I will show you in a moment near the end of the video. So here it's a lovely Spanish door. This is a lovely area just to sit and look over the countryside. You can see the golf club from here. So let's go inside, take you around. So this is like a conservatory. The windows open wide and there is insect screen there. You can't see it, it's just a net, and you can see all over the countryside and further afield to the golf club. Now this is really nice in here. So you have lovely lighting and you have these nice high ceilings. So let me take you inside to the living space. Now as you can see, it's very well decorated, really beautiful. And you have two lovely chandeliers here. You have aircon down the other end of the room there. Just going to pan around and show you the room. Okay. So I'm going to take you inside through the archway. We're going to have a look around in here. So just here is the guest bedroom. You have aircon. You have insect screens on the windows as well as wreckers and blackout blinds. You can fit a double bed in here as well. Now if I just come over here, you can see there is a double wardrobe with overhead storage. So very adequate for this bedroom. So just off the bedroom is the bathroom. You have sink and pedestal, WC, you have a bath, you have a frosted shower screen that folds over, and your shower just there. This is all tiled from ceiling to floor. And you've got storage. You've also got a heater just above the door there. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. The master bedroom's beautiful with this lovely chandelier, and it's a lovely area just to change, like a dressing area. Just going to pan around. So you can see in here that you've got your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. Your mirror to check yourself, because this is a lovely dressing area. I'm going to show you just in here, you have an ensuite to this bedroom. So in here you have your WC and your vanity unit. It's all upgraded and fully tiled. You've got spotlights above. Really very modern, and a modern shower with semi-frosted glass in it. So I've just opened the door of the shower just to give you an idea of what kind of shower is in here, and you have a rain head shower, very modern one. It goes with the rest of the bathroom. Okay, so I'm going to take you out of here and we're going to go into the bedroom itself. Shut the door behind me. So look at that view. Now that is the view you wake up to. It's beautiful golf course view. I'll home in on. Now I've just come into the bedroom and I've homed in on that golf course view. Absolutely stunning. Sometimes you can see the little carts going around and playing golf as well. Really delightful to see first thing in the morning. So we're back in the room, and it is a beautiful room. Just above there you have aircon, and again you got these beautiful high ceilings. I'm going to pan around for you. It's a lovely bedroom. The windows are open wide, and again just here it's just that insect screen. Okay, so let me go outside and we go round. Beautiful home. So just here, so this is the dining area, and it is just off the kitchen. Really nice place to sit and have your meal, and it overlooks the pool area as well. So this is your kitchen. Plenty of top and base units. Got electric hob, electric oven, fridge, freezer, microwave and wash machine. Okay, now this property comes fully furnished. So let me take you outside and we have a look at this wonderful pool area. Now this is where you'd spend most of your time. Just to point out, you have got insect screens that come over so you can have your door open all day, and you have reckies on the doors as well as the windows. Okay, beautiful sunny day today. It's first thing in the morning. The sun has come over, so you know the sun's going to be on that pool all day. So you've got about 3 steps down to the pool area. So you have a water point there. You want to top up your pool. Just want to show you this area in here. So you have your barbecue and you have a lovely seating area here. It's nice and shaded, and you've got a bar area. Okay, it says relax, and there's no better place to relax here. Look at that. And the walls are raised for privacy. You got these lovely lights that come on at night. And you can imagine when you've got friends around. You have a little fridge here as well. So I think this is a great holiday home or a permanent home. Got everything you want. You've got your relaxation area, your bar, lovely pool. And as I've said, the sun is coming over. So the sun is going to be on that pool all day. It is first thing in the morning. It's about 10 o'clock, so that's going to be really nice all day. So you have your lounges there, and just further on you have got a pergola. Okay, that pool looks so inviting as well, doesn't it? So come around here. You can imagine yourself just lounging here, or just having coffee just in here after a swim. Okay, so you have your shower there as well, and just here you've got these lovely lights that light up in the evening, all solar lights, and some garden lights. So there is a gas boiler there. There's a storage area. Don't know if this is open. And it's just a room. You could turn this into an outside toilet if you wanted, of course. And I'm going to bring you back around to the house. You have an underbuilt there, which is just under the terrace. And I'm going to bring you up, and we're going to go upstairs. So this is the rooftop solarium, which I promised to show you. So guys, I'll see you at the top of those stairs. So this is lovely. We've come up to the rooftop solarium where you could sunbathe privately if you wanted an all over tan. You're not overlooked or anything like that. You got views of the golf course over there as well, which is really nice. And it's a good space up here on the rooftop solarium, you know. Really good space. The roof looks as if it's sealed also. So I'm going to take you back downstairs. So guys, what do you think of this property? This is a beautiful Fortuna that has been extended. It's also got a fabulous swimming pool and this relaxation area here. Absolutely fabulous. 20 minutes from the beaches, 5 minutes from the local golf club and 5 minutes that way to the local amenities. Really great location, this property. So if you are interested, don't forget to contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Check out our website also. I will leave all the details in the description box below, and the reference number for this property, if you're making an inquiry, will be in the title of the video. So until the next time, have an amazing day, guys. Bye bye. See you again soon.